After tachyarrhythmias, let's look at bradyarrhythmias. Again, the bradyarrhythmic classifications can be classified according to the impulse formation disorders or the impulse conduction disorders. For the impulse formation disorders, let's discuss sinus arrest. The sinus arrest means there's a failure of sinus node discharge, and there will be absence of atrial depolarization. So we observe a period of asystole. So here, as you see here, there's normal depolarization, but then here there's a sinus arrest. There's no depolarization from sinus node, and then sinus node discharge again. So this sinus arrest will give rise to a period of asystole.